guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. As you can see, this is a aloe vera plant. This is my mother's biggest aloe vera plant. The fact that you guys are looking at it is forbidden. I am forbidden to look at this plant, let alone touch it. Okay, but no worries, I have my own little garden of aloe vera plant that she planted for me, and then I'm allowed to go at and take a few of the leaves and use it on my hair. And I don't have to go out and buy aloe vera. I just have it in my yard. I just grow it on my yard, and that is amazing. So here are a few of the leaves I took. You want to make sure you wash your leaves first before applying it onto your hair. You can see the green yellowish slime. Make sure to wash that out. Rinse it off good. I like to wash mine with lukewarm water and then I apply it on my hair. So this is the gel that I got out of the leaves. Little chunks. It's very slimy. Now I'm going to blend it, and when I'm done blending it, I'm going to use a strainer to strain it out. You can also use a old penny stocking, but for the convenience I'm going to use a strainer. So this is what the consistency looks like. I'm going to put it in my applicator bottle, and now it's ready to use. You guys, I haven't washed my hair in a while, and I'm embarrassed to say how long it is, so we're not going to get that far. But in today's video, I'm going to do a pre-poo with aloe vera. I love aloe vera on my hair, so my hair is pretty dry, and when it's wash day or when it's time to wash my hair, I don't hop in the shower and wash my hair, but I first do a pre-poo, and I like to do that with aloe vera. Aloe vera moisturizes the hair. Aloe vera also detangles, so it's a two-in-one. So I'm going to go in with my aloe vera. This is how much I got out of my leaves, and I like to apply my aloe vera in a applicator bottle with a long pointy tip. You can also find this on Amazon. It's linked down in my description box, so don't forget to check that out. So without further ado, let's part our hair and apply the aloe vera. Let's do this. So I like to start at the back, and then I'm going to go in with this. See why I like this? It's just easy to apply on the hair. And I'm also going to apply it to my scalp because my scalp feels dry. So this is my hair after applying the aloe vera on my hair. My hair feels super soft. I didn't let it sit for a minute, but I am going to sit under the hooded dryer for 10 minutes so it can absorb into my hair, and all the nutrients of the aloe vera and all the good benefits of the aloe vera can absorb into my hair. You can already see how my hair has shrunk and it feels so bouncy. Already feels so soft, but I am going to sit under the hooded dryer. So this is my hair after sitting under the hooded dryer for 10 minutes. It's dripping everywhere. Ugh. And I don't know what the white stuff is. I think it's product. I don't know. Let's just undo a twist. Oh, look at hair. So now I'm waiting to hop in the shower and wash it out, and I'll be back showing you what it looks like after washing it out. So you guys, I totally forgot to show you what my hair looked like after washing it out, but my hair felt super soft. My hair was very detangled and it was easy to manage my hair in the shower. This is actually the next day. The reason why my hair is stretched is because I put my hair in bantu knots. I like to keep my hair stretched because I like to create my hairstyles with ease for the coming week. But yeah guys, that was it for the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!